In my previous video, sinabi ko, pag nakita niyo ako sa Pilipinas, you can approach me and just say, "Bro V, baka may puso ka dyan." And kung subscriber kita, I will give you one heart na 1,000 peso bill. I made 30 pieces for 30,000 worth ng hearts. What is going on mga brofies and CCs? It's me again, your Brophy Scott, and welcome back to my channel. Because of the pandemic, most people ay naging plantito or plantita. And I bet you have been buying expensive plants now para mas maging healthy and fresh ang air sa bahay mo. And you are doing a lot to make your plants healthy. In this video, I will show you one way to make your plant robust and healthy while you are keeping yourself healthy and energetic. I like dark roast coffee dahil sa tamang-tamang lasa ng coffee without making me feel jittery or yung parang ninenervyos. I do love my coffee with sugar and creamer, but for the sake of this video, I will use extra virgin coconut oil to sweeten my coffee. We all know that maraming benefits ang nakukuha sa coconut oil. It has vitamin C and E, fatty acids, antioxidants, and proteins. VCO also helps in burning fats, especially sa abdominal area. Also, a teaspoon of VCO can actually help reduce your appetite. Not to mention, it also helps in reducing cholesterol level by mixing it with your coffee or tea. Because of the high amount of lauric acid and saturated fats, it helps increase your HDL or the good cholesterol. As for the healing process, we know that coconut oil has antiviral and antimicrobial properties that helps reduce infections. So let us proceed with being a plantito or plantita. What I normally do with my leftover coffee is I dilute it with water. Hanggang sa yung color niya ay parang tea na lang. Then I pour it sa plant ko, making sure na hindi ito malulunod. Don't throw those pods away kasi you can use it to feed nutrients sa plants ninyo. Coffee grounds actually has minerals that can make your plants more robust and lushy green. I hope you learned something from this video. It It will mean a lot to me if you're going to give this video a like, and if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you again on my next video. And once again, this is Scott and you are watching Mr. CMT channel.